Starting around 05 August 2023, Star Atlas DAO sort of is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02%, in sort of most recent 1 hour, in a quite large manner. Polis truly has an essentially all-out market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331 in an unobtrusive manner. This generally makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, really positioning at 612 in the cryptographic money market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO explicitly be genuinely worth in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. Is Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters, wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Will Polis cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed high in a genuinely significant manner? These essentially are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, or so they generally thought. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost in every practical sense is supposed to commonly cross a fundamentally normal value level of 12 cents, the normal all things considered, least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the buy and large current year, ought to be 12 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, Polis can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of 13 cents, which by and large shows that these especially are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, which really is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is in every practical sense anticipated to by and large reach at a truly least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, showing how Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023, as per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Polis cost certainly is supposed to in a real sense cross a for the most part normal value level of 12 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to basically be 12 cents, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The Polis cost could arrive at an especially most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023. Which really shows that truly is Star Atlas DAO, and all things considered, wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost truly is supposed to for the most part reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Polis for the September certainly remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value figure October 2023. The kind of normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could truly go to 11 cents, toward the finish of October 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Polis could in a real sense exchange around an extremely greatest worth of 12 cents, with the base expected cost of 11 cents. Polis value figure November 2023, concerning November 2023. Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters, is supposed to all things considered, arrive at an essentially least value worth of 11 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Polis cost could explicitly arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of 12 cents, with the truly normal cost around 12 cents, which basically shows that Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023, as per the Star Atlas DAO figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Polis value sort of is supposed to really cross a very normal value level of 12 cents. The normal extremely least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the very current year ought to generally be 12 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO sort of is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around a kind of least of 12 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO cost can especially arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of 13 cents, with the extremely normal cost of 12 cents. In USD. Star Atlas DAO, kind of past value examination, in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto all things considered, has been somewhat diminished by 3.34% in its essentially current worth, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming we fundamentally look at the truly current market cap of the polis with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap especially is likewise down, showing the way that polis could essentially be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of 12 cents, with the base expected cost of 11 cents, which truly is very critical. From very most recent 7 days, the polis by and large was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52%, which basically is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be certainly great chance to dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is supposed to by and large be at around a truly least of 12 cents in every practical sense significant way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of polis by and large diminished by 55.184%, disposing of an incredible exceptionally normal amount of 14 cents from its extremely current worth, which sort of is very huge. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an excellent purchase a potential open door for most certainly fast speculation. By and large further appearance, how this abrupt down in a real sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a decent sort of purchase a valuable open door for especially speedy venture, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate 2023 Facts. What will basically be Star Atlas DAO genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The polis cost explicitly is determined to truly arrive at a truly greatest degree of 13 cents, within every practical sense, least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, demonstrating the way that Star Atlas DAO cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of 13 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost of 12 cents. In USD. Star Atlas DAO past value examination, in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 3.34% in its really current worth, or so they certainly thought. Star's Atlas DAO generally have a future, which especially is very critical. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO truly has an exceptional fundamentally potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, showing how might polis value sort of outperform its untouched high, which especially is very critical. It by and large is conjecture that polis will increment in esteem, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can stir things up around town, the greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, exhibiting how on the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO most certainly be especially worth in 2023 in a really significant manner?